Okay, hey, my name is Gary Cleveland. Here we go. This is a quick tutorial for a trick. Kind of looks like that. A trick that looks like that. The impossible lure. All right, here we go. How do you get to that trick? So what is that trick? That's a sideways palm fan. Its little buddy is the impossible. So let's talk about how to get to the impossible lure, because it's such a cool trick. Okay, so first, limber up. Okay, first thing you got to learn the black belt. If you don't know the black belt, I definitely have a tutorial for that. Just get familiar with snap or pressure, release, cleave style in general. Get familiar with that. Next step, you could learn the Huey, but that might help, but it probably won't. Probably the best bet is to go from the black belt. Hang on. So learn the black belt. Then you're going to go to the false fan, which is basically a black belt where you just allow it to keep spinning. You're going to create a little housing for the one handle to just free float in. So it looks like you're fanning, but you're actually not. The knife is free floating. That's why it's called a false fan. You can do the false fan at many different angles, which is a cool attribute of it. Okay, so once you learn false fan, then what you're going to work on is going to the impossible, which I think I have a tutorial for that as well. That's an upside down or 0G palm fan where you're flattening your hand. It's not a snap trick. I mean, it's not a snap aerial. Your palm remains in contact with the one handle basically from the second you snap it. It's not a snap aerial, it's a snap trick. All right, so once you've got the impossible down, that's upside down, or I have a tutorial for that as well. Now, here's the thing, okay, so when you go to try to get impossible lure, when you shoot impossible, once you pop it, you've got to get your hand upside down or flat, right? When you go to shoot the impossible lure, all you're doing really is just spinning the whole trick sideways. For some reason, it is much more difficult. I don't know why, but it is a lot harder. Maybe it's just me personally, but anyway, so learn them in that order. Black belt, false fan, then impossible, and then impossible lure. So that would be the progression. And then the hell diver. Alright, hopefully that helps. Got questions, hit me up. Y'all stay cool.